Guys, today is Sunday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. Start of a new work week, so I hope everyone is enjoying the last few hours of the weekend, and I really do appreciate everyone stopping in to hang out with me for a little while. All right, so doing something a little bit here, a little bit differently here today, in that I am bringing you guys along as I do a little bit of online shopping. I have my laptop here. Let me know if you guys are Windows or Mac. I love my Mac. But so you guys know that I am pretty much a neutral home decor girl here on the channel, but I'll have to say, when we were in Europe a few weeks ago, Eric Chase and I was really impressed with the Baroque style and really rich jewel tones of the artwork, and just a lot of the pieces that we kind of encountered while we were there. And so what I wanted to do today was check out a few of the local furniture stores here in Atlanta, as well as some of the usual suspects online, and see if I could find anything. I have some ideas for some places that I want to put possibly some new pieces, so I wanted to bring you guys along and kind of hang out with you for a little while today. So right now I am logged on to Modani Furniture, M-O-D-A-N-I Furniture. As you can see here at the start of this particular page, the living room furniture, they have some really pretty whites and grays. This black Monaco sectional sofa here is interesting. I would never think to put a black sofa in, like, let's say a family room, but possibly in a, you know, theater room, or, you know, down in the basement, it could look really good. But that's not what we're looking for today. They have, you know what, I don't know if I would ever though buy any white sofas. As you guys see here, they have some really large white sectionals. But if we scroll on down, what I want to check out is right here. So this is what I was talking about the really rich jewel tones. As you can see here, this Louis 3-seater sofa in blue is just gorgeous. And this, what is this, Annalise sofa, they're also calling this one a blue, but it's giving more giving me more of an emerald green vibe. But I don't know, guys, I am just so taken with these colors right now. I just cannot believe it. I can't believe me being so neutrally would really even entertain something like this. I'm loving this Wilson large sectional sofa here in blue. It is gorgeous as well. Let's go and check out Lamps Plus. No, you know what? Let's look at Overstock. Because I've ordered from Overstock so many times in the past. I've only ordered from Lamps Plus a few times. And what I have found with Lamps Plus is that their shipping is just ridiculous. The Jennifer Taylor Caroline Recessed Tuxedo Sofa. That, to me, is gorgeous. Let me know if you guys are actually into these really rich emerald colors. And I've been looking on Pinterest too. The jewel tone colors are really popular on Pinterest as well. Alright guys, so it has actually been a few days later. I have actually acquired all of the things that I ordered. I actually went into store and purchased a few things, and I wanted to come back as promised and share with you all what I picked up. So first off is this really nice tall back. I'm not quite sure the name of this chair, but it is gorgeous. It really exemplifies what I wanted when I spoke to you guys about jewel tones. It is just gorgeous. This chair is from Home Goods and it was $149.99. I think $149.99 is like Home Goods' favorite price. Everything there, you know, well, of course they have various prices, but I think $149.99 is a really popular price point with them. But yeah, I love this. I'm not sure if I think it's like a microfiber suede, and I love it. I love, like I said, the tone. I love that it has these really pretty silver grommets going down the back of the chair. If anybody knows the exact name for this type of chair, do drop a comment below, let me know. But I love it. And what I also love is the fact that the legs are dark. You know, sometimes you'll get these chairs like this and they'll have gold legs or silver legs, but I love the fact that they are dark. You know, look at the dark legs on our table and chair here in the, well, not the table, but the chairs here in the dining room. I love that because they really play well with the dark woods here in our floors. But I only purchased one of these chairs. All right, so you guys will have to let me know your thoughts. Let me know where you think this chair is actually going to go. Okay, next up is this little ottoman here. You know, I was just talking about having dark legs, but the base of this ottoman is actually gold, but it works. I think it's gonna look great in the space. And this little guy is actually from, can you guys guess where I got this? This is actually from Overstock.com. And if I am able to here today, before I put the video up, I'll leave a link to where you can purchase one for yourself. And I want to say this was like $99, so not bad at all. But as you guys can see, these two pieces were not purchased at the same place. And listen, I'm not even saying that they're going in the same room, but I think the colors are just great. They really work well together if, let's say, I were going to put them in the same space. But here again, the ottoman just really picks up on the vision that I had as it relates to jewel tones. It also has that microfiber type suede or velour material. I love that around the top of it, it's gathered, just giving it a really regal look. Like I said, I was really taken with the Baroque look of some of the artwork and pieces that we saw over in Europe, and I feel that this ottoman really mimics that. All right, next up is this lampshade, a really pretty ruby jewel tone here. Never thought I would buy a lampshade this color, but I just could not pass it up. I think this is what I needed to kind of break up some of the green and blue type jewel tones that I have actually purchased and brought into the house. And I think this is really going to, you know, do exactly what I needed to do. But again, the really rich jewel tones just kind of mimic or really bring out my vision that you know, that I wanted for the space or spaces. You can purchase this little lampshade at Home Goods or Marshall's. You guys know that the lampshades and lamps, they're going to be a little bit more difficult to find if you're trying to get this exact one, because I think what they do is they'll maybe divide the pieces up between stores. But I am happy that I have this one, and I only purchased just one. That's all I needed for the space, and I want to say this was like $14.99, so not bad at all. Next up is this gorgeous pillow. I love it. I love it. This pillow, guys, I'm not sure if it's coming off on camera, but it actually has both the jewel greens and the jewel toned blues in here. And then you have little pops of peaches and yellows and some aquas in here, but just really nice. I purchased this pillow from Target. They may still have it available, but I thought I absolutely needed this pillow. I love how the fringe on the pillow really plays well with the legs on the chair. I'm sure by this point you guys already know that I'm gonna probably put all these things in the same space, but I just love this. So next up is this leather chair that I purchased from Home Goods. It is so stinking cute. To me, this chair is reminiscent of, I don't know, like a smoking lounge, a gentleman's lounge. If you were to go into a cigar bar. Hi, Deb. Let me know if you would see this in a cigar bar or cigar lounge, but I love it. Again, this is from Home Goods. I only purchased one of them. The legs on the leather chair are obviously different from the legs over here on this chair, but I love it. You know what I love too? I love the tufted detail on it, and I also love that they didn't put any buttons or grommets in the tufted areas there. I think it really keeps it nice and masculine. I really wanted some masculine touches in the space that I'm gonna put this in, because, you know, certain spaces in your house, if you do too much as a woman decorating, it can start to look too girly, too frou-frou. But yeah, loving this. Cannot wait to see how it looks in the space. All right, so up next are these bar stools. Look at how gorgeous they are. Love them. So there's one, and then I have the other one here. Just really, really gorgeous. I shared these with you over on Instagram. I did like a little poll asking you guys, which room do you think these chairs will go in? I can't remember which room got it right, or you know, if I even shared the right room. I don't know. We'll see. Here in this bag are the little sleeves that go on the chair. They're in here. I'm still trying to decide if I actually want to have them on the chairs. So you guys let me know what you think. Should I place them on here or leave them off? I'm still trying to decide. But these chairs, guys, believe it or not, are from Amazon.com. All right, I'll leave the link for these below. They were a really great price. They came as a pair. You do, however, have to put them together. But again, I shared over on Instagram, I showed you guys, or I shared with you guys me putting them together. Took about 10 minutes, if that, to put them together. So not bad at all. Really loving these. All right, so let me know your thoughts on these as well. Again, they will be listed below. Purchased them on Amazon for a really, really good price. I also picked up this really gorgeous rug. It is a really great size. I wish I could show you the entire rug, but I have a heavy piece of furniture sitting on it right now, so I can't lift it. But I just love that it picks up on some of those jewel tones that I've been talking about this entire video. And guys, it is so comfortable. I cannot wait to share it with you actually in place. I also purchased this little accessory right here. I love it. Again, the jewel tones are just great. You guys, again, will have to leave me a comment below. Let me know where you think all of these items are going, but just love this. All right, here's another rug that I purchased. It's a little different than the one that I just shared with you, but again, really nice jewel tones throughout the rug. I didn't want, because these rugs are actually going to go in the same room, I didn't want them to be the exact same rugs. I wanted the colors to kind of really, you know, play off one another, but still being in the same kind of color family, not wanting anything to kind of match outright per se, but just being able to really, you know, play around with each other and be in the same kind of color family. So love this rug. And I think this is the last of it. So I purchased this artwork here. Some of this artwork is actually DIY, and I'll share all the details on that here a little bit later. But I love the colors. I love the gold frames. I think the colors and everything are just gonna work really well with the other pieces that I shared with you. But yeah, just love it. Well, that is it, guys. Thanks so much again for stopping in today and hanging out with me. Be sure to drop down in the comments and let me know which piece that I have here was your favorite. Please let me know if you are actually into the jeweled homes as well. Can't thank you enough again for hanging out with me today and doing a little virtual shopping, some hauling. Let me know if you are doing any type of home refresh. All right, I think this is absolutely going to do it for me. Be on the lookout for the video where I show you where everything is going. I know you guys are really shook right now because of all these dark, rich colors, but believe me, it's going to come together. I am still a neutral girl, but I just wanted to, you know, spice it up a little bit. But anyway, thanks again for stopping in to hang out with me today. Cannot wait to drop down in the comments and chat with you all here in a little bit, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.